Can you imagine that data-driven companies acquire 23 times more customers? Yet only 49% of companies use data to drive their marketing decisions. Want to create data-driven marketing initiatives in minutes? Use Copilot in Customer Insights. First, define your goal. Copilot then produces the right audiences, assets, journeys, and more, all driven by data and insights. Next, want to refine the plan? Ask Copilot to do it using natural language. Tell Copilot and Customer Insights your goal, and it will create the audiences, content, journeys, and more that you need in seconds. That's it. For more videos like this video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below.